Voting for the high decibel election to the West Bengal Legislative Assembly is underway. The latest voter turnout is 36.9%. People are voting for their choice among 191 candidates and 30 constituencies in this phase. The TMC and opposition BJP have fielded their candidates in 29 seats, while Left Congress and ISF Alliance have fielded its candidates in all 30 seats. 27 of the 30 constituencies where voting is being held today right now as we speak, had voted for the TMC in the last assembly elections. But the BJP swept them in the Lok Sabha elections just in 2019. All COVID-19 protocol is supposed to be followed. There is heavy security in place. 684 companies of central forces are guarding over 10,200 polling booths along with the state police. Also, Bengal police has deployed over 22,000 personnel across 5 districts. Well, this is the culmination of days and weeks of high-octane campaign that is held by both the BJP and the TMC, where the first phase of polling is currently underway in 30 constituencies. Well, the last time around in the year 2016, when Bengal went to polls, this is how the vote share looked like in the first phase of polling. The Trinamool Congress backed 50% of the votes. The left got 24% of the votes, the BJP got 9% and the Congress got 6%. Let's now take a look at the party-wise seat share of the 30 seats that are going to polls this time around in the first phase. The TMC won 27 of the 30 seats. The Congress won 2. BJP didn't win any seats and others bagged 1. And Prema is giving us more details on that story. She joins us from West Midnapur in West Bengal. Prema, the last time we spoke, you were telling us about some complaints regarding BJP workers inside a polling booth. Just tell us what really happened there.
What we are getting to know, Sneha, is that these allegations are coming from the Trinamool Congress that there were BJP supporters who entered the booth 285 and 286 along with the BJP candidate who is Shamit Dash, and these allegations were made by June Malia, who is the Mednipur candidate from Trinamool Congress. And when she went to certain booths, she was not allowed inside the booth by the CRPF personnel, even though the presiding officer was allowing her inside. So that is what she faced, and this happened while she was touring various booths in Midnapur and in the interiors. So this is what we are saying. As far as the other incidents are concerned, we have also heard from other booths where the BJP supporters allegedly have been trying to enter the booths. But what we know as far as West Midnapur is concerned, people are coming out to vote in large numbers. More are expected maybe later on. But primarily when it comes to Trinamool Congress, the allegations are that in certain booths, the BJP supporters are not cooperating, and Trinamool Congress candidates, Trinamool Congress supporters are wanting to come out and vote. So that is what the allegations from the Trinamool Congress are. But Trinamool Congress going to the Election Commission with these complaints, not just from West Midnapur, but various parts of the district as well, where voting is underway. Back to you, Sneha.
All right, Prema, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you for more on that story in a bit from now.